First of all, I'd like to apologize for the delay. The roads have been closed around Park Street Mews, so I really apologize for that. Proceeding with things, I was watching a video on YouTube the other day. I was actually watching Ellen. I'm sure some of you know stand-up comedian turned TV personality. She was hosting the Oscars, and she was saying that it was her childhood dream to hold the Oscars. Unfortunately for me, it's not my childhood dream to host an event like this. It kind of just happened over a conference call with my boss last afternoon, where he said, "Okay, Charit, you're doing it." So fortunately for you, or unfortunately for you, I'm your host for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. My name is not like a show host sort of name, you know. It's not like, "Ladies and gentlemen, your host for tonight is Andre." It's Charit. And surname, if you must know, is De Silva. And that's how it goes. So, 835 million people, 835 million users. Ladies and gentlemen, if Facebook was a country, it would probably be the world's third largest country. So, the reason I'm telling you this is, it's important that we understand that this is the digital space we are in. This is the digital space that we have taken this brand to compete with the multinationals and whatever you call it. And I think you will agree with me that in this, the third biggest country in the world, Facebook, we were able to be the fastest growing brand on Facebook in Sri Lanka. We were able to be the fastest growing Facebook page in Sri Lanka. So, I mean, you will definitely agree with me that indeed, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the greatest achievements for us with this pageant. Let's look at the internet penetration. I mean, we are talking about 11.8, say 12, for example. With such a small penetration, we had people from all over the country. People sent us entries from Jaffna to Mathura, all over the world, all over the country. So it was certainly another big achievement for us. And talking about our fan base, we have grown by 100%. Are you crazy? 200%? 300, you think? 400? Ladies and gentlemen, our fan base has grown by 600%. And I think it's another big achievement for us in such a short period to get such a lot of people buying into this whole pageant and being a part of it. Now, there are lots of reality shows and lots of these things that happen on TV, and people who know will know that most of those shows are copies, right? I mean, whoever who watches satellite TV will know that we take a program from there, run it in Sri Lanka, and do a much worse job than anybody else in the world has ever done with it. In that sort of context, ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to say that with this pageant, we have certainly set standard. This is the first time in Sri Lanka, a pageant of this nature, which is a completely online beauty pageant, is held. And I can tell you without a doubt that even in the world, this is probably the first time a pageant of this nature with this sort of standard has been held. I mean, you all know how dodgy it is when you say online beauty pageant, girls uploading their pictures and you vote. I mean, in that sort of environment, ladies and gentlemen, we have set standards. You don't see any of our girls posing next to a swimming pool. We don't do that anymore. You know, because the usual beauty pageants, that's all they do. They're all posing next to the swimming pool. But we don't do things like that. We have certainly, even if you have time, go back to our Facebook page and look at the photographs to everything. We have certainly set standards. And I'd like to also remind you that this whole show is going live on Facebook right now. So sometimes we will go for a break. Whoever who's here with me now, you need to understand that the whole show is going live on Facebook right now. Okay. now this stage is a little too big for me to be here on my own, so I think I need to get a co-host or somebody who's a bit more glamorous than me standing here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call the gorgeous, the lovely, and the dazzling Shana Rath. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. Shana Rath, brand director of Seri Naturals. Oh wow. Okay, backstage, we need a stool. I mean, simply because I think I'll look better if I'm seated, because otherwise you all are not going to concentrate on what we are going to talk about rather than thinking, that guy is so damn short. Now, it's also a 6-inch heel, apparently. So yeah, kind of my height. Anyway, Shana, wow, you look fabulous.
Thank you, Charit. So do you.
Thanks. Who are you wearing?
I'm luckily wearing a beautiful design by Indi. She's one of the talented designers at Malaje, Sri Lanka's very first designer boutique.
Lovely, great. But I need to, I mean, I know we all worked on it together, but I just need, from your point of view, being the brand director of Seri Naturals, I want to ask you a few questions.
Sure.
Firstly, why online? Why did you decide to do this pageant online?
Quite simply, Seri Naturals is all about being different, dynamic and innovative. And what better platform to launch such a beauty pageant than online, which is all about being innovative and it's very dynamic because it's changing every second. And we want it to be different. Everyone's seen the same old beauty pageant. This is something that everyone around the world can watch live. So we hope all of our fans are watching this live online. And it's something different, and that's something that really reflects what Seri Naturals is all about.
Okay, and I was telling them before also, I mean, it's quite a sort of a dodgy sort of thing to do these pageants online, if I may use the word, sorry. Simply because girls online, posting pictures on Facebook, people voting, it's a difficult thing to get people to buy in. Was this a challenge for you doing this pageant? What do you have to say about it?
Well, anything that you're going to do for the first time is always going to be a challenge. But that's something that we embrace. We love taking challenges head on, and I think we've been really successful with the very first online beauty pageant. So I'd say the most challenging part of this was, yes, to get people to accept the new concept and to embrace it. But once they learned more about it and really got into the whole competition, it just snowballed. And as you mentioned before, we're the #1 fastest growing Facebook site in the whole nation. So it's something that's really been a huge success for the very first time it's taken place. So we're looking forward to next year.
Great, thanks, Shana. One more thing before you go off. Just tell us how it all started. Like, how were the first 50 contestants chosen, then 25 to 12 to the workshops? There were several things done. Can you please take us through it quickly?
Sure, definitely. As some of you may know, because some of you may have followed this online, we first put out a call for entries, and that was nationwide. As Charith mentioned, we had entries from all around Sri Lanka. Which we were very proud of, to tell you the truth. From there, we selected the top 50 contestants who we thought had the most potential going forward in this competition. And then we put the judging process into your hands, into the public's hands. So that's where their family, their friends, the girls' fans, some of the girls have a great fan base now, they were able to vote for who they wanted to go forward to the next round. Thereafter, we selected the top 25 girls who got the top 25 votes. We asked for more images of the girls. We did a video shoot of the girls so the viewers got to know a bit more about them. We posted them online as well. And again, there was another round of voting, and that brought us down to the top 12 girls. And at this point, it got really interesting because we got to train the girls. We got to take them for workshops. We took them for styling workshops at Malaje with the fabulous designers. We took them for styling workshops at Chagall. They learnt about hair and makeup. We took them for exercise workshops. They went to Body Bar and really learnt how to look after their body and the importance of nutrition. So we really got to know the girls. We got to train them to the best they can be. And they're here tonight, where we're going to crown one lucky winner.
Great, great, thank you. And just one more thing. I think another thing that I realized in this whole competition or the pageant is that it's not often that you get a substantial gift, substantial gift to the winner. So, and I realized that we are giving something quite substantial in that sense. You want to just say something about it?
Yes, well, first prize is $1 million rupees. Who wouldn't like that? I would like that. $1 million rupees, all expenses paid trip to France. And also, very importantly, we're launching a new premium range, which is Seri Naturals green tea range. And the lucky winner of this competition will become the face of Seri Naturals green tea premium range. So we're very excited. We're very excited to be working closely with the winner. But overall, I'm proud of all of the girls who have come so far. But as they say, there can only be one winner, and that one winner is going to be a very lucky girl.
I'm sure, with 1 million. Okay, thanks a lot, Shana. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, hair and makeup by Chagall, jewelry by Stone and String, evening wear by Malache, shoes by Khaki. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to ask you to give a round of applause to Sri Lanka's first ever online beauty contestants, the final 11 contestants on stage.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in a song. I don't know why you're being shy and turn away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you're beautiful. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know. lovable, and you will shine through, girl. You're much more than what the eye can see. Hey, 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 yeah. And everywhere people swear, look at you like you're from heaven. Wonderful when you walk, it's where my heart starts beating, girl. You are every single part of me. I want something that's real, and I know you're gonna help me find a way to a place where I feel. It's just a beautiful day, 'cause I can find heaven tonight. I've been waiting all my life for an angel to take me high. Your smile, your eyes bring me back to life. For tonight, for this day, for this life, I will remind you how you are. Should I start in my arms, then I'll define you, girl. That's perfection, that's perfected. I want something that's real, and I know you're gonna help me find a way to a place where I feel every day's just a beautiful day, 'cause I can find heaven tonight. I've been waiting all my life for an angel to take me high. Your smile, your eyes bring me back to life. I can find forever in you. Every single lie becomes the truth. Standing here, I see right through your eyes. It's time for you to bring me back to life. You know that I can find nothing but you in everything that I wanna do. You're a beautiful mystery, 'cause I can find heaven tonight. And I've been waiting all of my life for an angel to take me high. Your smile, your eyes bring me back to life. I can find forever in you. Every single lie becomes the truth. Standing here, I see right through your eyes. It's time for you to bring me back to life. I think I'm in heaven. I think I'm in heaven. You know I'm in love. Oh, oh. Another time, another place, another day, I will still find you. Beautiful, plentiful, lovable, and you will shine through. Another time, another place, another day, I will still find you. Beautiful, plentiful, lovable, and you will I think I'm in heaven.
Oh, wow. Round of applause, at least. I'm sure he deserves that. Thank you, Aslan. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I think this is one of the greatest things about doing something online and also having a good idea or a good concept. Because the moment you have a good idea or a good concept, you have lots of people who want to be a part of it. There are lots of people who go against it as well because they're jealous. But there are also lots of people who want to be a part of it, support it, and take it to the next level. This gentleman standing here next to me right now is somebody like that. I mean, he was inspired by the whole concept, he will tell you, and he wrote this song for us. You know, I'm telling you, all these are little achievements in this pageant that we have achieved every day going through this whole thing. So Aslan, you want to say something about your song?
Yeah, absolutely. I would like to say that it's an honor and a privilege to be performing here to you guys, especially these beautiful 11 ladies, because it was them and of course Seri as a brand that inspired me, since I'm someone who's addicted to the online platform, and as a brand how you guys have brought up the sensuality and that, you know, that whole pristine and the whole classic aspect of the brand sort of combines with what we are trying to capture in this song. Beautiful ladies, heaven, and only Seri can match that whole meaning.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause.
Cheers.
The official song for Seri Miss Sri Lanka 2012. Okay, girls, looking lovely. I'd like to remind the sponsors again and people who are behind these beautiful girls. Like I said, hair and makeup by Chagall, jewelry by Stone and String, shoes by Khaki, and evening wear by Malache. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go in for a small break, and we will come back. We will be with you in about a minute or two. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. That was a break because, like I said, we are going live on Facebook right now. So we need to go in for a few breaks, on and off. So now, these beautiful ladies are going to introduce themselves. So I'm going to go back and relax a little more while they talk about themselves a little bit. Mic is yours. Sorry.
Small is beautiful, and I come from a small and beautiful country, Sri Lanka. Here I am, Kerenza Fernando, 24 years from Colombo, wishing you all a pleasant evening. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Dinali Jayasinghe. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Kandy and I studied at Ecole International, and I have followed a degree in software engineering, and I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Thank you very much.
Good evening everyone. I am Anuradhi Molligoda. I am 25 years old from Chilau. I am studying management degree at Open University. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I'm Hiruni Pereira from Kiribati. I'm 21 years old. Have a good day. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Angela Richard. I am 21 years old from the city of Kurunegala. I am currently studying for my master's degree in business administration. Thank you very much for picking me as a top 12 finalist. I'm very honored. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much again.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So far, I'm glad to be here today. Well, my name is Sudhar Kaushalya Uday-Kumar, and I'm 21 years old. I studied at Muses College. Now I'm reading for my degree, Bachelor of Business Management in Colombo Uni. So hope you will enjoy this evening. Thank you very much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nayantara Fernando. I'm the youngest contestant on stage tonight. I'm 18 years old. I study over at Visual International School. I hope all of you all have a fantastic evening. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Nadisha Rukshani from Kalania. I'm 22 years old. At the moment, I am following a degree in the field of apparel production and management. So my ambition is to be a talented fashion designer in future. I'm glad to be a part of this event today because this is my very first time. So I like to wish all the beauties here with me today. Wish you all the very best beauties. And thank you so much. Have a wonderful night. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Maria Alcazar. I'm 21 years old. I'm from Mount Lavinia. My dream is to grow in the field of modeling and fashion design, and I'm very excited to be here because this is my very first competition. And I thank to Seri team for giving me this opportunity, and I will be there for you anytime. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Amaya Fernando, and I'm honored to be standing here as one of the finalists of Seri Miss Sri Lanka. I'm 20 years old and have a brother and a sister. Fashion is one of my biggest passions, and I'm looking forward to attending the University of Moratuwa to pursue my degree in designing. Well, that's about me in a nutshell, and I hope you all have a wonderful time tonight. Thank you.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Bidur Salam from Gampa. I'm 19 years old. Well, my dream is to be a dental doctor in future. So have fun. Thank you.
Okay, so in case you forgot my name after all of that, I'm your host again, Charit. Surname De Silva. Glamorous. Okay, now girls, you can go backstage and relax a little bit, and I'm going to talk about a few people who we couldn't have done this show without. So thank you very much. Thank you. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the final 11 contestants of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online. Okay, so as they walk and go backstage, I'm going to talk about a few other important people. Now, the beauty of an idea like this is that, like I said before, when you have a good concept, when you have a good idea, there are lots of people who want to be a part of it. And even when it comes to our sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, there were lots of people who just came in and who wanted to be a part of this whole event, and we were more than happy. So these people that I'm going to mention now are people who believed in this concept, this new concept that has never been done before. So it's actually taking a bit of a risk, if I may say so. But these people that I'm going to talk about now are people who stood with us, who believed in this concept. And people who were inspired by this whole pageant. So our telecommunication and broadband partner, none other than Mobitel. Banking partner, official banking partner, Ceylon Bank. Official beauty partner, Shegal. Official footwear partner, Kaki. Official radio partners, Kiss FM, Wetri FM and Theatre FM. Official jewelry partner, Stone and String. Official airline partner, Sri Lankan Airlines. Official fitness partner, Body Bar. Official video partner, Dimension X. Official venue partner, Park Street Muse. Official choreographer. I need to say a bit here. I mean, Brian had only 2 days with these girls. And you all know the kind of effort that goes into a pageant like this. People get a lot more time. I think the girls, did their best considering that they had just 2 days with the choreographer. So another round of applause if you all want to give one. And the funny thing about these online things are that I'm happy there are a few of you here. Otherwise, even if you're clapping at home, I won't hear it. So I'll have to just pretend. But anyway, good. So keep up. Just clap. When I say clap, clap. Okay. And our official event partner, Event Productions. Official glamour clothing partner, Malashe. I need to talk about the designers. I mean, again, they had only a very limited amount of time. Dimutu Sahabandhu, Ramona Oshini and Indi. Thank you very much, Malashe. I mean, you all have done a fabulous job, and thank you very much. With such a little time, you've done wonders. Thank you very much. And our official floral partner, Lasana Flora, official technology partner, Tribe Digital. We couldn't have done it without them. Official photography partner, Jehan Photography. Official hygiene partner, PH Care. Official digital retoucher, Shadow Illusionist, Dennis. And the official communications partner, Triad. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And we are going in for another small break now. 1 or 2 minutes again. So please bear with us. Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now I would like to call upon the final contestants, the 11 contestants again, and we have actually come to the interesting part now. Too much talking, right? I mean, we've been talking way too much. So I'm going to call the girls back on stage, and we are going to go into the mini pageants and talk about the winners. Girls? Thank you, wonderful again, looking lovely. Okay, now as some of you know, we had 4 mini pageants. So now we are going to talk about the winners of those 4 mini pageants. So I'd like to ask Anne to come on stage and give me that envelope which has all the secrets, the details of what's happening tonight. Anne? I need the envelope. Thank you. Don't peep. Okay. I'll go back, otherwise these girls can see what I'm going to say. So I'll talk from behind, so nobody can see me. Can I please call on stage the founder of Chagall, Mr. Gerald Solomons. And Mr. Ajaz Shafiq, CEO Sieta Networks. Mr. Ajaz Shafiq, CEO Sieta Networks. Okay, if she's not here, if he's not here, I'll have to get Shana, my co-host. Now's the time to come on stage. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going into our first mini pageant. Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online, Miss Beautiful Hair. And Gerald Solomons, you will present the voucher, gift voucher from Chagall, and you will, Shana, you will sash the girl. The winner of Miss Beautiful Hair, Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012 is Miss Karansa Fernando. Thank you, Gerald. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Shana. Okay, then we move on to the second mini pageant. Congratulations, Karanza. We move on to the second mini pageant, which is Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012 Seri Miss Beautiful Skin. And to present this award, the gift pack, and to sash, I would like to call on stage the CEO of Seri Naturals, Mr. Malik Pereira. And to sash the winner, I would like to call Sasim from Park Street Muse. Okay, and the winner of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012 Seri Miss Beautiful Skin is Miss Angela Richards. Tasin, will you flash the girl, please? Congratulations, Angela, and thank you, Tazim, and thank you, Malik. Okay, then we move on to the next mini pageant, which is Miss Photogenic. To present this award, can I please call on stage Jehan? I mean, he's the guy behind all the photographs that you've seen online. We couldn't have done it without him. Another one of these people who are just inspired, who are inspired by the whole concept and who said, okay, I'm going to come in free and I'm going to do this all free for you. I mean, where do you find people like this? So, I mean, it's a great honor to have you here, Jehan, today. And I would like to call upon Mr. Roshan Vijayaratna from Event Productions. We couldn't have done this without you as well, to sash the girl. And I'd like to tell you that Jehan will do a special portfolio shoot for the winner of this pageant. And Russell Dennis, the digital retoucher, will help us to retouch some of the images. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012. Miss Photogenic goes to Miss Bidur Salem. Thank you, Roshan, and thank you, Jehan. And congratulations, Bidur. Now we go into an award, which is actually quite a highlight also, though it's a mini pageant. Considering that this whole competition, the pageant was online, you know how these things work. It's on votes, and getting people to vote, getting people to support you is not an easy thing. In that sort of environment, ladies and gentlemen, we have the award for Seri Miss Sri Lanka 2012, Seri Miss Popular. And I'm sure some of you know who it is because all of you have voted for her. I would like to call on stage Mr. Isuru Disanayaka, General Manager, Product Marketing, to present the gift of a light tab from Mobitel. Thank you. And the winner of Miss Popular 2012 is Udari Kaushalya. Thank you, Isuru. Thanks a lot. And congratulations. Okay, now we go into, before we go into that, I would like to announce you that Seri has decided to do a calendar for 2013, and 6 of these beautiful girls who are standing here today will be featured in that calendar. So may I call upon the girls? You don't need to come up stage, girls. You can stay where you are. The 6 girls who are going to be featured in the Seri calendar for year 2013 are, in no particular order, Miss Angela Richards. Round of applause. Miss Bidur Salem, Miss Carranza Fernando, Miss Maria Alcasas, Miss Udari Kaushalya, and Miss Hiruni Pereira. Okay, now we have come to the segment where we choose the 5 finalists. Oh, there's one more thing. Sorry, there's one more thing. Also, we have been told that 3 of these girls are going to get the opportunity to walk for Colombo Fashion Week next year. I'm sure some of you are very excited about it. So, and the 3 girls, I think it would be nice if you can just walk on stage, come to the front and just show your face. I think then they will know who you are when I announce the names. So, the 3 girls who will be walking for Colombo Fashion Week 2013, the first contestant is Bidur Salem. Please walk and tell them. The second contestant who will walk for Colombo Fashion Week will be Angela Richards. The third contestant who will walk for Colombo Fashion Week will be Amaya Fernando. Thank you very much. So now we come to the top 5. Ladies and gentlemen, the top 5 finalists of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012. Again, in no particular order, the first contestant. How do you all feel? The first contestant who will be one of the finalists, one of the 5 finalists of Seri Miss Sri Lanka 2012 is Miss Carranza Fernando. Please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, the second contestant in the final 5 is Miss Bidur Salem. The third contestant, one of the top 5 finalists of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online, Miss Angela Richard. The fourth finalist of the top 5 of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online, Miss Maria Alcasas. And the last contestant who's going to be among this top 5. I know some of you are shivering. I know you're excited. I think before I choose this girl, I need to tell all of you that you all have done a fabulous job, and I think, ladies and gentlemen, we need to remember that they were just normal girls who applied for this competition, and they've grown with this competition. They've developed confidence. You know, with all of this, I think we need to give a round of applause to all of them before I announce the last contestant of the top 5. The last contestant of the top 5 of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012 is Miss Udari Kaushalya. Okay girls, now you can step back before we go into the next segment announcing the winners. Okay, before we proceed with this, can I please call the other contestants on stage as well, because there are some gift packs to be given to all of them. Can I please call all the other contestants as well back on stage, please? Okay, so all these girls, all these beautiful contestants will get a gift pack from Seri Naturals, and they will get a gift pack from GS Health, and also all of them will get dongles from Mobitel and flowers by Lasana Flora. Mr. Nirosh Pereira, Senior Manager GS Health, to present the award from the gift voucher from GS Health. And can I please also call on stage Mr. Isuru Disanayaka to present the dongles. And Mr. Rushan Madapathage, Marketing Manager Lasana Flora, to present the flowers, please. Okay, I need all of you all to stay on stage, please. So if all of you all can move to this corner, I will hold this for you. Please, thank you. You need to bear with me for a moment because Anne has a lot of work to do. She needs to go backstage, bring another set of gifts and come back. So please bear with me for this. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's have Isuru giving all the Mobitel dongles to all the girls. That's going to be a lot easier. And Mr. Nirosh Pereira, after this we will present the gifts from GS Health. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I call upon Mr. Nirosh Pereira, Senior Manager GS Health, to give out the gift packs from GS Health. Thank you very much, Nirosh. Can I please call on stage? You're already here, Rushan Madapathage, to please present the flowers. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you. I think you need to, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to all our contestants. Like I said, it's not been an easy task, but they've done really well. So thank you very much. I'd like to all ask the final 5 contestants to remain on stage and the other girls to please go backstage. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for your efforts. Thank you. Before I go into the next segment, I would like to talk about the judges. Ladies and gentlemen, this is another beautiful thing about being online. You know, we have the opportunity of connecting a lot of people from all over the world. As you know, there are lots of Sri Lankans who are doing really well, who are keeping standards in the world. And with this platform, the digital platform, we were able to connect a lot of these people from all over the world. Forget the Sri Lankans for a bit. We were thinking Bollywood. Why not why not get Bollywood involved? I mean, we've got a lot of people, I mean, it's an industry where the fashion and the beauty industry, I mean, you will all agree, is far ahead from where we are today. So, thinking of Bollywood, ladies and gentlemen, we were able to get one of the famous, award-winning Bollywood star, Vivek Oberoi, was one of our judges. Round of applause, please. You all don't like to applaud much, right? Some issue with clapping. Anyway. The celebrated Bollywood and Collywood actress Samira Reddy. Celebrated Sri Lankan actress Ureni Noshika. Brand directress for Seri Naturals Shana Rat. COO of Seri Naturals Malik Pereira. Director and founder of Colombo Fashion Week, Ajay Singh. Australia's Got Talent winner, Andrew De Silva. Celebrity hairstylist and founder of Chagall, Gerald Solomons. Celebrity hairstylist and founder of Capello Salons, Romesh Atapattu. Thank you very much, judges. Thank you very much. I know it didn't really take a lot of your time to go online and vote for these beautiful girls, but you still did it. And some of you who are not here today, I need to give a special thank you, especially because out of your busy schedule, you took your time to go online even for 5 or 10 minutes and vote for them. So thank you very much. And there's a voice cut from Samira Reddy, and we'd like to listen to it now. She sent a voice cut after she has judged the competition.
Hello Sri Lanka, hi, this is Samira Reddy here from India. I am happy to be part of the judging panel of this revolutionary online beauty pageant. All the very best to the contestants of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012.
Okay, thank you Samira Reddy. Thanks a lot all the judges. Girls, maybe you all can keep those bags down, otherwise you all are going to be holding on to them for a long time. Just hold on to the flowers. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the final round where we talk about the winners, the winner, the second runner-up, the first runner-up. I would like to call Anne to come on stage with that envelope. Thank you. Okay, before I announce the winner, the second runner-up of Seri Miss Sri Lanka 2012, I would like to call Miss Hiruni Bulat-Singhala from Abstract to crown the second runner-up. Miss Hiruni Bulat-Singhala. Okay, I think Miss Hiruni Bulat-Singhala is not here. Can I please call the brand directors of Seri Naturals, Miss Shana Rat, on stage? Thank you, Shana. And to sash the winner, can I please call upon on stage Mr. Makshood Ismail, owner of Khaki Shoes. And to give the bouquet of flowers, can I please ask Mr. Rushan Madapathage back on stage again, please. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, second runner-up of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012 is... I'd like to just wait a little bit. Miss Carranza Fernando. Carranza the bouquet of flowers from Lasana Flora. Congratulations, Carranza. And I'll need your help again with the second envelope, carrying the name of the winner, the contestant. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Can I please call on stage Mr. Sumudu Fernando from Stone and String to crown the winner. Manager Advertising, Mr. Sumudu Fernando, to crown the first runner-up of Serimi Sri Lanka Online. Can I please call on stage again Mr. Rushan Madapapa, Marketing Manager Lasana Flora, to give in the flowers. And can I please call on stage Melanie, Miss Melanie Vijay Singha, Managing Director Malashi, on stage please. Okay, I think there's a representative from Malashi. I'm sure you can come up on stage and do the honors. Thank you. And Anne, can we have the crown and the sash before we proceed? Ladies and gentlemen, the first runner-up of Serimi Sri Lanka Online 2012. The first runner-up of Serimi Sri Lanka Online 2012 is Miss Angela Richards. Can I please have Sumudu from Stone and String, Sumudu Fernando, Marketing Manager, to crown the winner? And can I please have Mr. Rushan Madapatake to hand over the bouquet of flowers? And can I please have Ramona, one of the designers of tonight's evening wear, from Malashe, to please present, to sash the girl. Thank you all, thank you very much. And I think, Mr. Rushan Madapatha, you might as well stay on stage. Otherwise you'll be going up and down quite a few times. Okay, now's the time. I think you should, before that, Anne, can I have the envelope? Thank you. Okay, now is the time. I think you should write the time down, because this is certainly going to be history. You know, this is the first ever online beauty pageant in Sri Lanka, and this is probably the first ever online beauty pageant in the world of this nature. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner here. I don't know how you girls are feeling. I'm certainly quite excited. Okay, and to crown the girl, the winner, can I please call on stage the dazzling and the glamorous Shayana Rad, the brand directress of Seri Naturals. And to present the check of 1 million rupees, can I please call on stage CEO of Seri Naturals, Mr. Malik Pereira. And to sash the winner, can I please call on stage Mr. Thilan Wijayasekara, DGM Marketing, Ceylon Bank. And to present the article to France, can I please call on stage Mr. Pradeep Dureiraj, Marketing Manager, Sri Lankan Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've written the time down, because I haven't. The winner of Sri Lanka's first ever online beauty pageant. The winner of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012 is... Let's do it again. The winner of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012 is... Maria Casas!
To find you beautiful, plentiful, lovable, and you will shine through, girl. You're much more than what the eye can see. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. And everywhere people stare, look at you like you're from heaven. Wonderful when you walk, I could swear my heart stops beating, girl. You are every single part of me. I want something that's real.
Thank you.
And I know you're gonna help me find a way to a place where I feel every day is just a beautiful day. 'Cause I can find heaven.
Thank you, Tilan. Thank you very much. DJ Marketing, Ceylon Bank. Can I please have Mr. Malik Pereira from Seri Naturals to present a check of 1 million rupees to the winner? Can I please have Mr. Pradeep Dureraj, Marketing Manager Sri Lankan Airlines, to present the air ticket to France? Mr. Dureraj.
I want something that's real.
And Mr. Rushan Madapatake to present the bouquet of flowers from Lasana Flora.
For an angel to take me high, your smile, your eyes bring me back to life.
Thank you, Rushan. Thank you, Tilan. Thank you. Thank you, all of you.
Every single lie becomes the truth. Standing here, I see right through your eyes. It's time for you to bring me back to life. You know that I can find nothing but you and everything that I wanna do. You're a beautiful mystery. 'Cause I can find heaven tonight. And I've been waiting all my life for an angel to take me high. Your smile, your eyes bring me back to life. I can find forever in you. Every single lie becomes the truth. Standing here, I see right through your eyes. It's time for you to bring me back to life. You know I'm in heaven. I think I'm in heaven. You know I'm in
The winners of Seri Miss Sri Lanka Online 2012.
Another day I will still find you beautiful.
Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you again next year in 2013. Please tune in and please support us next year. Thank you very much.
And you will shine through, girl. You're much more than what the eye can see.
Congrats.
Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. And everywhere people stare, look at you like you're from heaven. Wonderful when you walk, I could swear my heart stops beating, girl. You are every single part of me.
You can go forward, wave and come back together.